If you get a call from a no-caller ID, always answer it. Because I got one the other day and I picked it up, but the person calling asked if my name was Raymond. So I said no and they hung up right away. But the next day, I get another call, but when I pick it up, I recognize that it's the same voice from yesterday. But this time when they ask if it's Raymond speaking, I say yes because I'm like, you know what? If they're gonna waste my time, I'm gonna waste theirs. So then they go, Raymond, would you be interested in selling your house? And I say, yeah, actually I would be. Then they ask what price I was thinking and I just throw out a random number and say 500,000. But then they're like, we can work with that. And then they said they'll contact me again soon with more details. So if your name is Raymond and you live in Southern California, just know that you might be getting a for sale sign put in your front yard in the next couple of weeks.